Welcome to Mohan classes. In this video we are going to discuss about basic concept of algebraic expressions. Here we will talk about terms, variables, constants, coefficients, and how to find the value of the algebraic expression by substitution method. This video may be helpful to students of 7th standard, 8th standard and 9th students. Let us start the session. So algebraic expression, it consists of variables, constants and mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It can contain one or more terms and may not have an equal sign. So here the examples like 7xy, 3x plus 4, 2xy minus x plus 2, and then x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 3. So these are all the terms are called algebraic expression. Here you see this 2xy minus x plus 2. Here you have to say what are all the terms of this expression. So if you see 2xy minus x plus 2, you have to separate it. 2xy is one term, minus x is the other term, plus 2 constant is the term. So this 3, it is having 3 terms. So we have to separate and write it as a terms. Terms is equal to 2xy comma minus x comma 2. Then what are all called variables? xy is the variable, here minus x is the variable. So the variables are xy and minus x. So constant, which is not having any variable with that, it is called a constant. So 2 is a constant. Now what are all called like terms? So in this algebraic expression we will have some like terms because the same variable will have some different operations, plus minus, like that. You see here the example 3x minus x plus 4x plus 5. So here 3x minus x 4x, the same. You see 3x minus x, it will come as 2x, 2x plus 4x, it will come as 6x. So 6x plus 5 is the algebraic expression, but it is having 4 terms, but actually the algebraic expression is having only 2 terms. Here in this example, x minus 3y plus y minus 5. So minus 3y and plus 5, if you simplify it, it will come as minus 2y. So it will have 3 terms. So what are all will not be considered as a algebraic expression? See some constant, suppose some constant is added and we cannot say it as a algebraic expression. Example, if you see 5 plus 7, so 5 plus 7, here there is no any variable, so it is not an algebraic expression. Here in this 5x plus 2y is equal to 3, so the equal sign is there, so it is not an algebraic expression, it is a equation. So one more, if the terms, depending upon the terms, the algebraic expression will have the name of it. So here it is having only one term, 7xy, so we may call it as a monomial. So 3x plus 4, here it is having 2 terms, it will be called as a binomial. So here 2xy minus x plus 2, so this will be called as a trinomial. Here x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 3, 4 terms are there. So if any algebraic expression is having more than 3 terms, then it will be called as a polynomial. You see here in this example 3x minus x plus 4x plus 5. Okay, here these 3 terms are the same like terms, so we cannot consider it as a 4 terms. So the whole 3 terms will be considered as a single term. 3x minus x, 2x, 2x plus 4x, it will come as 6x. So this 6x plus 5, so it is a polynomial. Here you see, here it is having 4 terms, but actually minus 3y plus y, it will come as minus 2y. So it is also called as a trinomial, even though if it is having 4 terms, but it will be called as a trinomial. Now we are going to see what is coefficients. Coefficients is nothing but we will have the expression, algebraic expression, it will have some variables with it, 2x square minus 3x plus 7. Here now we have to find out what is the coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square, if we are closing this x square, what is left with x square? 2. So 2 is the coefficient of x square. Here minus 3x, if we are closing this x, what is left with it? Minus 3. So minus 3 is the coefficient of x. So this is the coefficient. Similarly, if we are seeing here 2x square y minus 3xz plus 9. Here what is the coefficient of x square? If we are closing x square, 2y. 2y is the coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of z here? If you are closing this z, you are having minus 3x. So minus 3x is the coefficient of z. So in this equation, in this expression, 2xyz minus 3z minus 4. Okay. So coefficient of x is 2yz. So if you are closing x, you will get 2yz. Here if we are finding out the coefficient of z, here you see, here also you are having z, and here also you are having z. So what is the coefficient of z here? 2xy. So 2xy. Then here also you are having z, right? So what is the coefficient of z here? Minus 3. So 2xy comma minus 3 is the coefficient of z. Here you are having, in two terms we are having z. So for that we should write both the coefficient of the terms with comma. Then what is the coefficient of y? If you are closing y, you will get 2xz. Okay. Now the substitution method. Substitution method is very simple. They will give an expression and they will give the value of the variable. So we should substitute the value of the variable in the expression and find out the value of the whole algebraic expression. Let us see the example. So here 2x square minus 3x plus 8. So the value of x has been given as 5. So if you substitute the value of x as 5 in this expression, you will get 2 into 5 square minus 3 into 5 plus 8. If you simplify it, you will get the answer of 43. Here 2y square minus 8y plus 5. Y is equal to minus 3. So you should be very careful whenever you are having the value of minus 3. So here the multiplication, you should be very careful. Here you see 2 into minus 3 whole square. So minus 3 into minus 3 plus 3. So plus 9. 2 into 9. Here you see minus 8 into minus 3. So if it is coming like that, first you should see the sign minus minus. You should multiply minus into minus, it will become plus. First you have to put this plus sign. Then 8 into 3, 24. 8 3s are 24. You will put 24. Then plus 5. If you simplify it, you will get 47. So that's all for the day today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and share it to your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.